And then it's Ethan.
Really? Really?
You do it.
No! No, we're not doing that.
Hey guys, this is Ethan.
What did I just say?
That's Ethan. This is me, Ethan.
Your name is not... No, okay.
You're playing juice.
What? Juice is not even a game. It's a liquid that we drink. And what are you doing to my head?
I probably toast in your head.
Whatever.
Put my windows on my head. You are disgusting. No, do it the other way.
Why?
Because
Because of what?
Because I just don't eat.
You don't tell me what to do, Zen.
Nope.
I tell you what to do.
No,
Because
don't tell me.
I'm older than you. You're the youngest.
You stupid Nia.
I am not Nia. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know who Nia is, she is my sister. Yeah.
He's my sister.
She's both of our sisters, okay?
No,
Jesus.
no, he not. Mommy's my sister.
What?
Mommy's my sister.
She's your mother. She's both of our mothers.
He's my scissors.
Scissors?
He's my sister.
You said scissors, then.
No, sister.
Whatever.
He's my sister.
No, she is not.
Yes, he is. You're
No,
not
she's
both
not.
of us. You're not both of us.
What?
You're not both of us.
Did you just say both feed us?
No, I said
Both
stupido.
feed us.
I said stupido. I said stupido. Everyone in the team and the stupido. Yeah, kaki choking in the stupido.
Can you stop? Jeez. Zen. Stop.
Stupido.
Zen, can you shut up? I'm trying to say something.
Okay, I can say something too.
No. You already said 1,000 things. So... Your turn, Zen. So yeah, the reason why we haven't been making any videos lately, shut up, is because we've been at our cousin's house. Thanks for putting your head in front of the camera, then.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Mommy,
oh,
the
and
food is there.
You might have realized that my leg. There's a big difference. I just said stop tickling my leg. No.
Yeah.
Forget it.
Zen.
Okay,
this is not working.
So yeah, when Zen dies, that's gonna be the end of the video, cause can't make videos that are like an hour long.
No.
You don't have the patience for that. So yeah. So when Zen dies, which will be right now, is gonna be the end
Oh my god, I'm hungry so
the
bad.
video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
And bye. Peace for you.